Hi, welcome to lesson 17 of Excel. My name is Sophie and I'm going to be your trainer for today. So in the previous session, what we have learned was mainly in the number group. Now, we are going to learn what is in the cell group for now. So cells group is basically understanding relationship between rows and columns. So for instance, let's say right now on my screen, you notice fruits and Jan and Feb March total is all very close apart. Now, however, let's say if I would like a blank in between A and B, okay? So that is equivalent to inserting a column in between A and B. Now, so let's say if I would like to insert a column in between A and B, I always take the last letter, which is B. So I click on the letter B, alright? Now, the whole column is highlighted. So there's no need for me to click and drag. Just click on the letter, the whole column is highlighted. Now, once that's done, straight away I click on the picture insert in the cells group. Notice what happened. Ta-da! So you notice that the entire thing, the entire column is added. So it's fruits, space, Jan. Okay? So that's how you insert a column in between two particular letters. So someone will be asking, Sophie, why must it be A and B? Why must it be? Why can't it be A? Now, reason being, any columns that has been added is always added to the left side of that particular letter. So again, let's repeat again. Now, let's say if I would like to insert a column in between D and E. So where should I click? D or E? E, right? So I click on E first. Yes, because the column would appear on the left side of E. So once I click on E, you know, this Feb and March, okay, it's already highlighted like that, right? The whole E is highlighted. So once I click on E, straight away I click on the picture thing. So you notice Feb space March. So once that's done, okay, you notice that it has already been inserted. So that's what it means by the rows, inserting a column. Okay, now, same rule applies if let's say I would like to insert rows. Now let's say if I would like to insert a row in between 3 and 4, fruits and apple. What should I do? Should I insert on 3 or 4? 4, right? So just click on 4. Now once I click on 4, what do I do next? Okay, the whole thing is highlighted. Then in the cells group, I click on the insert. So click on it and then fruits space apples. Okay, now next one. Let's see if I would like to insert a row in between 6 and 7. Where should I click? 6 or 7? 7, yes. Why? Because it always appears to be 4. Before means to the left and stuff like that. Okay, so click on 7. Just click on the picture insert. Ta-da! So you notice now that it's already been inserted. Okay, now, so that is for insert. Now, but let's say I decided, I do not want the rows and columns anymore, the empty rows and empty columns. So for instance, on my screen right now, B was the particular file, a particular column that we add. Now, but let's say if I would like to delete B. So what do? Very simply click on the letter B. Once I click on letter B, the whole column is highlighted. So how do I delete this? I look at my keyboard, press delete. Press backspace. Click on backspace. Sorry, this is a mistake. Yes, it's good I made that mistake. You know why? Because if I would like, I click on B, backspace doesn't work. I must press delete. Okay, but let's see if I press delete. I think it works differently when it comes to Excel, laptop. So click on B. Alright, now let's try delete again. Okay, sorry. Now, maybe for laptop it doesn't work. Okay, now, never mind. So, in order for us to delete this, so click here. Straight away, you notice it as what delete? Click here. Alright, so the whole column is deleted. Oh yeah, sorry. Yes, to delete a row or column, we must make use of this, okay? Now, sorry, repeat myself again, so sorry for that confusion. Now, let's say if I would like to delete this column D now. So, what do? Click on D. The whole thing is highlighted, right? Just go to the word delete under cells. Click on it. It deletes. So, fruits, Jan, Feb, March total. Okay? Now, last but not least, now let's say if I would like to delete row 4 and row 7. So how do I go about it? So click on row 4 first. So once I click on row 4, where do I go? Cells group, then just click on delete. Okay, now then good. So you notice that it becomes as per normal. Last but not least, okay, we click on row 6. Once I click on row 6, okay, what happens next? Let's say if I want to delete this, click on row 6, then just click on delete. So that's it for the insert and delete columns. Okay, everyone clear about this? So just ensure that we click on the right cells or on the right columns, okay? And there isn't any need for highlighting and stuff. Okay, now let's say if I would like to adjust the format, the row height and column width. So I noticed I said, okay, for column B, it's a bit wide, so I like to make it a bit smaller. So first things first, I under format, do you see there are two important things that we must know here? Row height and column width. So let's say if I would like to adjust the column width to be a bit smaller. So first things first, I highlight column B as well. So click on column B, the whole thing is highlighted. Where do I go next? Format command. Once I go format, I go to column width. So you notice 14.14, right? So let's say I like to make it a bit smaller, so maybe I type in 13. Now once I type in 13, straight away I click on OK. So do you notice that it becomes slimmer or thinner? So that's what it means by column width, shortening the column width. Okay. Now subsequently, let's say if I would like to change the column width to D, the entire thing to D, make it smaller. So highlight column D. Where do I go? Format command, right? Then go to column width. Now after column width, type in, let's say I would like to change it to 12.5. Check whether it's done carefully. Straight away click on OK. Okay. Now this is a particular error, okay, in which I'll discuss in one of the episodes. But just understand that when there's hex XX, it means that I need to expand the column width a bit wider. Okay. Alright. So that is for the row height. Column width. So let's say if I would like to adjust the row height of row 3 to be a bit higher, what do? Click on row 3, format. Do I go to row height still or column width? Row height, right? Yes, because it's a row. So let's say I would like to make it higher. So let's say I type into 22. Then straight away click on OK. So do you notice that it becomes a bit higher? Yes. So now row 5 as well. Let's say if I would like to make it a bit higher. So what do? Click on row 5. Format, row height. Let's say I want to make it 25, type in 25. So once I type in 25, click on OK. So do you notice that it's significantly higher? Great. So that's what it means by the cells group. So in the cells group, what must we remember? The insert rows or columns, delete rows and columns. So in the format, row height and also column width. Okay, so I hope you learned a lot in this particular video, especially in the cells group. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.